Tammy tells me you'll give me a tour around Lilah.
Sure.
Awesome. What do they call it? The nickel tour?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The nickel or dime.
She's lost. She's lost on land again. They lost my friend. Lost on land again.
Like I said, we've had her since 2014. Just had offers on her, but we're not selling her.
Yeah, I bet not.
Yeah.
How many miles have you guys put on it in your travels?
When we bought it, it had 100 and or no, when we bought it, it had about 63,000 miles on it.
Wow.
And now it's got 100 and around 130.
Wow. Good job.
Yeah, it's been from Florida to Washington, California, New Mexico, Texas.
Back to Texas.
Yep, North Dakota.
Cool.
We just haven't done the East Coast.
All right. Well, you got something to look forward to.
Oh, yes.
Let me take a peek.
Yep.
It's so cozy.
Yeah. We have a toilet in here and some storage. This we can take a shower in here. We can lift the carpet. It has a big tray in here with a drain. The shower curtain goes in this track. It has a fantastic fan. We have a two-way fridge, electric and gas.
What does the microwave run off of?
It runs off of 110 only.
Okay. Can you run that with your solar?
No.
Okay.
No. But I have a 2.8 kV generator sitting underneath.
Gotcha.
That we can, if we need to run the microwave, I can fire up the generator.
I see.
All the lights are 12 volt.
Uh-huh.
The fans 12 volt. The electronic controls for the fridge are 12 volt. The hot water heater runs off 12 volt. Water pump 12 volt. Furnace runs off 12 volt.
Cool.
Yeah, we really like her. She's got this bed. It's got two beds, a bed on each side. You can actually take this cabinet back here and put it down, flip the thing over, and if we'd have brought the bolsters, this makes into one big full bed back here. But when we're traveling, we just usually leave it lay like this.
I love it. Very cool.
And this was a TV cabinet, but we never carry a TV.
Yeah.
So we just use it as a pantry.
That's brilliant. I love it.
And then it has a pull-out tray here. And
Lots
we
of
have
storage.
Storage under here.
Very cool.
And a little storage area here. I put spices in there. I like to cook, so I got tons of spices.
Yeah.
Got a storage cabinet here
Nice.
for plates and cups and stuff. We also use this as a pantry.
So y'all are set.
We have this one. I put my clothes in this one. There's 3 shelves in here. Tammy uses this for when we're on long trips. We use. I use this one. She uses this one. If we're just for the weekend, we'll just use this one.
Yeah. Y'all are out for 6 weeks right now, huh?
Yep. We're probably gonna be home in March.
Yeah.
Around the 1st of March.
Cool.
And then this one is storage.
That's a lot of storage.
Knitting stuff, and then I've got some stuff under here. This is an air conditioner. When we're traveling, we just put that up there to kind of block the wind off.
How neat. Neat. And she said that you've got all your tools and stuff up here.
Well, I have underneath this back, there's storage, and I have toolbox and a lot of stuff under there. And then we have a little.
Oh, lots of water.
Yeah, I made this little cabinet here to put stuff in to carry. And because this originally seats 4 people.
Yeah.
But I made this for when we went to the Pacific Northwest back in 2015. But I made it so I can take 4 screws out and a thumb screw out up here to keep it from rattling.
Yeah.
and I can put the seat back in about 10 minutes.
Oh, nice.
Because
Nice.
our daughter and granddaughter travel
Uh-huh.
with us sometimes. And so this is just extra storage.
Yeah.
And when we're traveling, I have a little cooler. And we just kind of cram things in. We have an electric heater we carry if we have 110.
Uh-huh.
And
It is amazing how much you can fit into a space
Plus
this
there's-
small and still have
yeah.
room to move around.
There's storage under here.
Mm-hmm.
We carry like extra shoes.
Mm-hmm.
And then we'll put like, we got bags of like extra plastic silverware. We got canned goods under there. We've got paper plates, paper
Mm-hmm.
bowls, sometimes we'll put paper towels,
Cool.
just all kinds of storage.
Very cool.
And then in here we've got, I put these little baskets in that
Uh-huh.
we store, like shampoo, medicine. We got this, it's got, our daily stuff.
Uh-huh.
And then we got storage under there for paper towels.
Very neat.
And then shelves up here. And then we have a
Carpet.
table that the table can either sit back there or up here in front.
And this chair swivels and
Yeah, both of them swivel.
cool. Have you had to put much work into it?
No. The only mechanical things we've ever had to fix on it is I had to have the board replaced on the furnace.
Uh-huh.
And when we got back from the Pacific Northwest, I had to have some engine work done to it, and that was because the people who had it before us just didn't run it.
Oh, right.
So it was like it was backfiring, but what it
Uh-huh.
was is the valves needed a valve job.
Just
Got
'cause
that
it
done.
sat
Now
too
she
much.
runs strong.
That's awesome.
Runs
I
great.
love it. Well, thank you so much for showing me around.
Yeah.
I hope y'all have a great time on this trip and
yeah.
all your trips in the future.
Oh, we will.
I know you
I
will.
know.
Y'all are
Tam's
great.
really been looking forward to this. I mean,
Yeah.
we've been trying to get back out here to see you and Vicky, and
I'm glad you did.
and
So fun.
oh yes, yeah,
Love you
we've,
guys.
uh,
Yep.
really-
What have you? Dance for me, Vicky. It's a love fest, I tell ya. A love fest.
Come on, a dip, a dip.
Who's gonna dip who though?
Yeah.
They're both gonna fall over.